43 Tips and Tricks to Improve SEO Ranking in WordPress? If you're a WordPress user, then you should know that you have full control over your website's SEO and how it ranks in the search results. You have the power to influence how your site appears in the search results through your SEO strategy. There are many tips and tricks that you can use to boost your website's SEO ranking. Here are a few ways to help you improve your SEO ranking in WordPress. Tips and tricks to improve SEO ranking in WordPress? By default, WordPress is SEO friendly. However, there are some settings that you can play with to further improve the SEO ranking of your blog. 1. Update your WordPress themes and plugins. Always keep all your WordPress themes and plugins updated. If you use a premium theme, you can check the changelogs of your themes to know if there are any new features or bug fixes. If you are using free themes, make sure you check the support forums of the theme to know if there are any important updates. 2. Create a sitemap. A sitemap is a good practice to improve your SEO ranking in Google. It is not a must, but it will help search engines to index your blog pages better. WordPress has a built-in function to create XML sitemap of your blog. To create an XML sitemap, go to the XML sitemap page under Settings. 3. Avoid duplicate content. Avoid duplicate content on your blog. Search engines will penalize you for duplicate content. Most of the WordPress themes have a search function and sidebar widgets that create duplicate content. To avoid duplicate content, disable the search function in your WordPress theme. You can also use dynamic widgets instead of sidebar widgets. 4. Create a Robots.txt file. A Robots.txt file is a good practice to prevent search engines from accessing your blog. It is a text file that you need to create in the root directory of your blog. The file is used to control the behavior of search engine spiders. It tells search engines which pages are for search engine bots and which are not. To create the Robots.txt file, go to the WP Robots.txt page under Settings. 5. Use good quality images. Using proper image names in your blog post content will help search engines to find your images. Use alt attribute and title attribute. 6. Link to your old posts. Linking to your old posts will help search engines to understand what your blog is about. Create a separate page in your blog and list your older blog posts on that page. 7. Use internal linking. Use internal linking in your blog posts. Internal linking helps your readers to navigate through your blog. It also helps search engines to index your blog better. 8. Optimize your meta description and keywords. Optimizing your meta description and keyword is another good practice to improve your SEO ranking in Google. Use your blog topic or category name in your meta description. 9. Use image alt text and title. When you use images in your blog, always use the image alt text and title attributes. It will help search engines to understand your image contents and rank your blog higher in search results. 10. Edit permalinks. Always use relevant permalinks in your blog. WordPress has a built-in function to make permalinks SEO friendly. However, if you have changed your permalinks, you can edit them using the permalinks page under Settings. 11. Use header tags. Always use header tags in your blog content. Header tags help search engines to find your blog content easily. You can use H1, H2, H3, H4, and H5 header tags in your blog posts. 12. Use a canonical tag. Use a canonical tag in your blog. When you use a canonical tag, you are telling search engines that the blog post URL is the best URL. It will help search engines to index your blog better. 13. Put your blog in the right category. Always put your blog in the right category. If your blog is about WordPress, do not put it in the category of photography. It will help search engines to understand your blog better. 14. Use a good hosting provider. Always use a good web hosting provider. If your blog is not hosted on a reliable web hosting provider, it will affect your search engine ranking. 15. Use good quality content. Always use good content on your blog. It is not only important for search engines, it is also important to attract your readers. 16. Avoid over-optimization. Avoid over-optimization in your blog posts. Search engines like Google hates over-optimized content. They will penalize you for it. 17. Create a feed. Create a feed of your blog posts and submit it to Google Feed and other feed aggregators. It will help search engines to keep your blog content fresh. 18. Add new content regularly. Adding new content regularly will help search engines to find your content. So, always add new content to your blog at least once a week. 19. Quality over quantity. While adding new content regularly, do not compromise the quality of your blog posts. The quality of your blog post content will affect your search engine ranking in the long term. 20. Keep your blog updated. Make sure your blog is updated with the latest news in your niche. Always use fresh and unique content on your blog. 21. Use high-quality images. Always use high-quality images on your blog. Search engines also use images to rank your blog. So, make sure the images you are using are relevant and of high quality. 22. Use a good blogging platform. Always use a good blogging platform. WordPress is the most popular blogging platform in the world. So, it is better to use WordPress to create your blog. 23. Use responsive design. Always use a responsive design in your blog. It will help search engines to understand your blog content easily. 24. Build an email list. Always build an email list of your blog readers. It will help you to build a relationship with your blog readers. It will also help you to remarket your products and services. 25. Write about what you know. Always write about what you know. It will help you to rank better in search engines. 26. Use social media. Social media is another good way to improve your search engine ranking. Use Facebook, Google+, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest to share your blog posts. 27. Use social bookmarking sites. Social bookmarking sites are another good way to get more traffic to your blog. You can use sites like Delicious, Reddit, and Dig to share your blog post. 28. Keep your blog design simple. Keep your blog design simple. Use a simple theme and write simple and interesting blog post content. The simpler your blog, the easier it will be to find your blog posts in search engines. 29. Write for your audience. Always write for your audience. Do not write for search engines, write for your audience. It will help search engines to rank your blog higher. 30. Provide useful and valuable content. Provide valuable and useful content on your blog. Write blog posts that are useful and valuable for your audience. It will help you to get more traffic from search engines and your audience. 32. Use keywords in your title. Using your keyword in your blog title is a good practice to improve your SEO ranking in search engines. However, do not overuse your keyword. 33. Use keywords in your post content. Using your keyword in your blog post is another good practice to improve your search engine ranking. However, do not overuse your keyword. 34. Use keywords in your comments. Using your keyword in your blog comments is a good practice to improve your search engine ranking. However, do not overuse your keyword. 35. Use keywords in your RSS feeds. Using your keyword in your RSS feeds is a good practice to improve your search engine ranking. However, do not overuse your keyword. 36. Use keywords in your permalink. Using your keyword in your permalink is a good practice to improve your search engine ranking. However, do not overuse your keyword. 37. Use keywords in your meta description. Using your keyword in your meta description is a good practice to improve your search engine ranking. However, do not overuse your keyword. 38. Use keywords in your meta keywords. Using your keyword in your meta keywords is a good practice to improve your search engine ranking. However, do not overuse your keyword. 39. Use keywords in your 404 page. Using your keyword in your 404 page is a good practice to improve your search engine ranking. However, do not overuse your keyword. 40. Avoid duplicate content in comments. Avoid duplicate content in your blog comments. Search engines will penalize you for duplicate content. 41. Use tag cloud in your sidebar. Tag cloud is another good practice to improve your search engine ranking. It is a good practice to create a tag cloud for your blog and use it in your sidebar. 42. Create good quality content. Always create high quality content on your blog. It is not only important for search engines, it is also important to attract your readers. 43. Add a no-index meta tag in your home page. Add a no-index meta tag in your home page. If you have a page in your blog with no index meta tag, search engines will not index it. Conclusion, as mentioned above, WordPress is the best platform for blogging and it has been used by many bloggers to successfully run their blogs. One of the most important things to consider while choosing a platform for your blog is the SEO ranking. In this post, I have highlighted the few key steps to improve the SEO ranking of your blog. Bonus. There are more than 45 tools which can help you with SEO research and SEO audits. Find all those tools if you wish to. Good part is all those tools is just free to use. Get access now. For more information, please visit SEOtoolsportal.com. If you like this video, then you can subscribe this channel for future updates. And don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.